Stop living the rat race. Are you living paycheck to paycheck and you're tired of it? You're not getting the respect you deserve? Well, in the next 60 seconds, I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do to change your lifestyle, start creating the income you want, and actually start creating the passive income that you want, all online from a system that's helping literally thousands of people across the United States. If you wanna be one of those people, even if you don't have any experience, but you have the passion to learn, you're coachable, you're not a tire kicker, and you're ready to start earning some real income, I want you to hold on right there and click on the link to this live webinar. It's gonna show you everything that you need to know to start building passive income online, from home, from anywhere. You got an internet connection, you got a laptop, you can move around. Hey, you're coachable. Click on the link, get this live webinar before it's all over and I take it down, because it's a limited time only. I'm letting the next 10 people that click on this video and to watch this webinar, it's gonna tell you step by step why we're in a digital economy, and you don't have to spend a ton of money on a brick and mortar business. You don't have to have a ton of money to invest in real estate, millions of dollars. This is something that you can do completely from home, from your laptop. All you need is the internet connection, and we'll show you step by step exactly what you need to do. So click on the link right now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'll see you on the inside. Live webinar. Hey, live from Miami.